Okay, back to the AGV SportModular broken tab repair. If you watch the past videos, you can see I removed the plastic guides. You don't want to wait till it's completely dried because they don't want to come off. You don't want to remove them too soon because if you do, it'll pull everything out of the repair. So you kind of gotta guess when to pull it out. Go figure. So with that said, right now everything, can't really see it, but it moves up and down freely. It's not sticking. So it was sticking in the beginning. So I cleaned out the tracks. You can see that's where it broke right there, where the line is. So I got to clean that a little better. But as soon as it cures, it says 6 hours. What I'm going to do is I'm going to probably put Vaseline or something in the track, or maybe some sort of silicone grease, just to help it slide and put less stress on the pull tab. Because I've got a strange feeling if this breaks again, it's got to go to the garbage. I'm not looking forward to that. So again, AGV SportModular, AGV does not support their SportModular line. So if the pull tab breaks, which they will if you ride a lot, I got about 25,000 miles on this helmet, lots of riding, it's gonna break right where it's unsupported right there. So there's a line right there, a clear line. So, and it just comes from opening, and eventually it breaks. So the repair was, if you didn't see the other videos, just took 2 long screws. I did grind them down to change the profile a little bit, made them flusher to sit in the groove. And then I just use epoxy JB Weld. I'm hoping this works. This is the only hope. So hopefully it binds to the plastic, and if it does, it should be fine. If it doesn't bind, if it pulls off at all, it's not gonna last. So stay tuned.